Hello and welcome to using the Gradebook and SpeedGrader in Canvas. In this video, you will learn how to use and customize Gradebook view and options, use the Gradebook and SpeedGrader features to enhance student feedback, and use SpeedGrader to leave assignment feedback. To open the Gradebook, click Grades from the course navigation menu. The Gradebook helps instructors easily view and enter grades for students. Depending on the grade display type, grades for each assignment can be viewed as points, percentage, complete or incomplete, GPA scale, or letter grade. Only graded assignments, graded discussions, graded quizzes, and graded surveys that have been published display in the gradebook. Assignments that are not graded will not have a column in the gradebook. The default view in the gradebook is to view all students at a time, but you can also view students individually in the gradebook individual view. To switch to individual view, click the Gradebook menu, and then click the individual view link. In the Select a Section drop-down menu, select the section you want to view. In the Sort Assignments drop-down menu, select how to sort assignments. You can sort alphabetically or by due date. Select any settings you want to display in the Gradebook individual view. In the Select a Student drop-down menu, select the name of the student whose information you want to view. In the Select an Assignment drop-down menu, select the student's assignment you want to view. Once you select a student and an assignment, the Grading, Student Information, and Assignment Information sections will display all corresponding content. Scroll down the page to view each of these sections. In the Grading section, you can manage the grade for the selected student and assignment. To view submission details, click the Submission Details button. The Submission Details page displays the assignment grade, submission date and time, and any submitted files. To view more details, click the More Details link. This will open SpeedGrader. To change the grade, enter the grade in the grade field and click the Update Grade button. To add a comment for the student, enter the comment in the Add a Comment field and click the Post Comment button. To switch back to the gradebook, click the Gradebook drop-down menu and select the Gradebook option. The View menu allows you to filter and sort the gradebook according to several viewing options. Under Arrange By, you can arrange columns by default, assignment name, due date, points, or by module. Under Filters, you can filter columns by type, including assignment group, section, modules, student groups, and grading period if applicable. Under Statuses, you can view and change the color for a grading status. Categories include late, missing, resubmitted, dropped, or excused. To change the color, click the three dots, select your color, click Apply, and then click Done. You can also choose to show or hide the Notes column and the Unpublished Assignments column. By default, your course shows all active students. In the Search field, you can search for an individual student by name or by TW user ID. The gear icon will allow you to change gradebook policies. The Late Policies tab allows you to apply late and missing policies in your course. The Missing Submission policy allows you to automatically apply a grade for submissions labeled as missing. A submission is labeled missing when the due date has passed and the assignment has not been submitted. The Late Submission policy allows you to automatically apply a defined penalty to submissions with a status of late. A submission is labeled late when it is submitted past the due date. Additionally, you can define a threshold under which a student will not be scored, regardless of how late the submission is when submitted. The Grade Posting Policy tab allows you to change grade posting policies for your course. To automatically post grades and make them visible to students as soon as they are entered, select the Automatically Post Grades options. The posting policy is set to automatically post grades by default. To hide grades by default and manually choose when to post grades and make them visible to students, select the Manually Post Grades option. When you're finished, click Update. Each column in the gradebook represents a published assignment in the assignments page. Each column displays the assignment title, total points, and each student's grade. To view the assignment, click the name of the assignment. For each assignment, you can hover over the column header, click the three dots to view the assignment menu, which allows the following options. You can sort assignments by grade or by status, missing or late. You can curve grades, set a default grade. You can hide or post grades. You can enter grades as points or percentage. You can download all submissions and re-upload submissions. You can use the Message Students Who option to message students who haven't submitted yet, students who haven't submitted the assignment even if they have been manually awarded a grade, students who haven't been graded, students whose assignments have not yet been graded, submitted or unsubmitted, scored less than, students who earned a grade on their assignment less than X number of points, and students who scored more than, students who earned a grade on their assignment more than X number of points. To use this feature, click the Message Students Who link. By default, Canvas will show names from the Haven't Submitted Yet category. In the drop-down menu, select the category of students you want to message. Based on real-time data, Canvas will show the names of the students who fall in the category you selected. You can also remove students from the message by clicking the Remove icon. Canvas will also generate a subject line based on category, but you can edit the subject line if needed. Type a message to the students in the message field and click the Send button. Although one message most likely will be sent to multiple students at the same time, each student will receive an individual message. You can move columns by holding your mouse icon at the top of the column you wish to move and dragging it to your desired location. Assignment columns are automatically added every time you create and publish assignments, graded discussions, and graded quizzes and surveys. A column is also automatically added for the attendance tool. You can also create non-submission or on-paper assignments to add to the gradebook for manual grading. To enter grades, type the grade as supported by assignment type directly in the gradebook cell. The assignment groups shown in the gradebook match the assignment groups created in the assignments page. If your assignment groups are weighted, the weighted grade shows up below the group title. Assignment group weights are reflected in the total grade. The assignment grade earned by the student is multiplied by the assignment group weight. You can access an assignment in SpeedGrader directly from the gradebook. Hover over the assignment column header and click the options icon, the three dots. Click the SpeedGrader link. SpeedGrader displays assignment submissions for active students in your course. The center of the menu bar includes assignment information and overall grading information. Assignment information includes the name of the assignment due date, and the name of the course. To view the assignment details, click the name of the assignment. The assignment details page also lets you download all student submissions for the assignment. You can use the down arrow drop-down menu on the right of the SpeedGrader screen to select students. Once you have selected a student, the student submission displays in the preview window. Use the Canvas doc viewer to mark up PDFs, docx's, and PowerPoints. To leave a point annotation, select the point annotation type and click the desired area of the submission. The point annotation icon will appear, indicating the location of the annotation. You can type your column in. To start a new line in your comment, click the Shift and Enter or Return key. To submit your comment, click the Enter or Return key. You can reply to the student doc viewer comments by clicking the Reply button. To move the annotation, hover over the point annotation icon in the document, click and drag the annotation to a new area. To delete a point annotation, click the Delete icon. Doc Viewer will confirm you want to delete the annotation. Deleting an annotation will also delete any associated comments. To highlight the text within the document, select the highlight annotation type. Select the color for the highlight in the color panel. Click and drag to highlight text within the submission. To add a comment, click the comment button. To submit your comment, click the return key. To delete a highlight annotation, click the delete icon. To add text directly in the submission, click the free text annotation type. You can select a white or a transparent background for the text annotation, as well as the font size for the annotation. Click in the desired area of the submission, then type your entry. To move the annotation, hover over the text box in the document. Click and drag the annotation to the new area. To delete the text annotation, click the text box and then click the delete icon. To indicate that text should be deleted, select the strikeout annotation type. Click and drag to strike out within the submission. A line will appear indicating the text has been struck out. To add a comment to the strikeout annotation, click the comment button. To submit your comment, click the enter or return key. To delete a strikeout annotation, click the strikeout area and then click the delete icon. Deleting an annotation will also delete any associated comments. To leave an area annotation, select the area annotation type. Click and drag so that a rectangle will appear over a portion of the submission. To add a comment, type in the comment box. To submit your comment, click the return or enter key. You can reply to student doc viewer comments by clicking the reply button. To move the annotation, hover over the border, click and drag the annotation to the new area of the document. To delete an area annotation, hover over the border and select the delete icon. On the right side of the SpeedGrader screen, you can enter a grade for the student, you can download the submission, and add submission comments. You can add comments as text, audio, or video, and you can attach files. You can also view and grade with a rubric. Click the View Rubric button. To view the entire rubric, you may need to scroll down and over. To resize the rubric window, click and drag the sizing column horizontally. For each criterion, click the rating that applies to the student submission. The selected rating displays the rating value in the points field. If a criterion includes a range, clicking a rating selects the entire range and defaults to the highest value in the range. To select a different value within a range, type the value in the points field. You can manually enter points above the criterion maximum point value. Each criterion value adds to the student's total points. You can also add a comment to each rubric criterion by clicking the comment icon. Click the Save button. If you set your rubric for grading, the rubric points will automatically be populated in the grade field. Otherwise, you can enter the grade from the rubric manually. Contact your instructional design partner if you have any additional questions or need further assistance.